guys, new video up on the channel. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but today we're gonna get back into it because every day is a new chance to start all over and to change it up. So with that, I'm gonna be going over Principle 10 of documenting your experience. And we're gonna enjoy my InMotion V8 that I currently got. We're gonna take it to the park and we're gonna get my drone, the Mavic Air, up in the air to record the sunset. Let's do it. Okay, so I've had my InMotion V8 for about a month now, and it's amazing. It's really the future. People ask me what it is all the time, and I'm like, this is the future. And it's really incredible. I'll park my car when I go to work, and then I'll take this from the parking garage where I park. It's like a 10-minute walk, but with this thing, it's like 3 minutes. It's awesome. So anyway, Principle 10 today, of the 10 principles to living out of your car, going over Principle 10, and if you're confused as to where the other principles are, don't be. I've only covered Principle 1. So of the 10 principles to living out of your car, we're gonna skip all of them and we're gonna go to Principle 10, documenting your experience. I know I haven't been posting as much as I could be on the channel, but really, with the couple of videos that I have posted on the channel, they have gotten traction. People have been commenting saying, hey, these videos really helped me. Thank you for posting these. Anyway, so yeah, you know, it's not something I really expected. I really posted the video for friends, close friends and family to kind of see what I was doing, especially when you put so much effort into doing a thing. It's cool to look back and see kind of like what you accomplished and what you did, you know, certain times in your life. So let's see where I'm at here. Where do I want to go? There's a little trail right over here. Let's go on the trail. Documenting your experience, you know, since I made those 2 videos, people were able to see that, you know, what I was able to do. It's the future. You know, a lot of people reacted to those videos and said, hey, your videos really helped me. I'm in a time that's kind of tough right now. I'm going to be living out of my car. And, you know, living out of your car, it's not an easy thing to do. And even so, you have 2 groups of people who are doing it. The first group who don't really have too much of a choice, and they're kind of like their last resort before being homeless. And then you have the second group of people who are kind of like the adventurers and the minimalists and etc., like myself, who just are looking for a little bit of excitement in their lives, a little bit of adventure and edginess. In this day and age, it's really about sharing the experience, and especially if you're living out of your car, that's kind of like a new exciting thing to do. All right, so I'm gonna find a spot in the park here. Let's see how far I can get in the grass. Not very far. It kind of reminds me of when my dad, he got one of the first video cameras back in the day. Him recording us when my brother and I were younger and watching that. It's just gold. It's just, it's gold. And it's really kind of taught me this valuable lesson of, you know, record your journey. Put it out there. I guess here's me sharing mine and my journey. So yeah, let's get this baby up in the air. That's how you catch a drone. All right, so I'm gonna head back, get my drone here. Basically, here we go. Guys, share your experience, what it can do for someone else, and as far as comforting them, and you know, just showing that they're not alone, and just and yeah, it can be really cool. So anyway, guys, my name is Taylor Moats, and this was Principle 10 of document your experience, share your journey, create a YouTube channel, and if you have one, you know, go out, make a video, post it. Who cares if you know, it's not super popular and no one sees it? You never know who might see it and who might connect with it and who you might meet in life, and what experiences you'll have from it. So anyway, guys, stay tuned if you want to see more of the principles and more of my life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.